To start a voting session, click the Home button on the menu bar. You can select your preferred language by clicking on the appropriate language on the menu bar. You will be presented with a login page. To activate the keyboard to enter your PIN code, tap on the top text entry box. The keyboard will show at the bottom of the screen. You can now type your PIN code. If you make a mistake while typing your PIN code, tap the backspace button located at the top right corner of the keyboard. You will have to confirm your PIN code by entering it a second time. When you are done, tap the blue Login button. You can now select the member states you wish to vote for by tapping the empty box to the left of each state name. To unselect a member state, tap the same box again to remove the selection. To scroll down the list, tap the screen and hold, then drag up or down. Once you are satisfied with your choices, tap the blue Continue button. You will be presented with a confirmation page with a list of your selection. To modify your selection, tap the gray Change button to go back to the previous page. You can now modify your selection. Once you are satisfied with your choices, tap the blue Continue button. You will be presented with a confirmation page with a list of your selection. If you are satisfied with your selection, tap the blue Submit. This will submit your ballot and will conclude the voting process. Please note that if you wish to submit a blank ballot, tap the blue Continue button without making any selection. Once you have completed the voting process, you may click the Home button on the menu bar to return to the vote selection screen. Here you may view the results of the ballot when the voting is closed, and you may start the next vote when opened by clicking Vote Now.